Hold on, gang. Let me get this shit on tape. Maybe here. Go ahead. Batman calls. Calls for. Definitely broke his neck there.
No, I didn't.
What? He's alive?
I'm fucking invincible. Batman can't.
See. Taste the old lead. Don't do this at home.
You gotta rely on me. Robbie cut.
Oh.
One more thing.
Okay, it kind of worked, but you don't do it as good as me, bro. In this game are so fucking hilarious. They don't have to be able to. It's like... Oh, you're fucking dead. Never mind.
Yeah, you fucked up that time.
Yeah. Bro, you fucking folded.
I'm gonna fly.
No, it didn't work. It didn't.
Damn,
That time it didn't work. Yo, again, you're gonna go like towards your chin, towards your chest area, and then drop and then pull the trigger. There you go. There you go. I got it now. Yep. Oh, you were still alive. Fuck.
Monkey.